Hello everyone, this is me Anmol Samsuhang and welcome to ARS Biologicals. So if you're new to my channel, please tap on the subscribe button and watch my videos. So I've come back with an awesome video of 7 medicinal plants of Kalimpong and Darjeeling. So Kalimpong and Darjeeling is a small district in West Bengal, India. So I've come across the first plant, which is Astilbe rivularis, which looks like this, and it is sometimes also known as false goat's beard. It is commonly found in the mountain ravines and valleys. Look, it has got this kind of leaves which has rough surface. So you can extract it by holding in its lower part and pulling it like this. The parts used of this plant is mainly the root part. So the root part, which is this rhizome is used for orthopedical treatment of diseases such as gout, arthritis, spondylosis, fractures and sprains. So I've come across the second plant also, which is Virginia ciliata. So it has got large leaves, disc shaped leaves, and which have fine hairs on the borders of its leaf. So this is sometimes called as fringed elephant's ear, and it is a pinkish flowering plant which is rarely seen in the wild, but it is sufficiently planted by the peoples, and main part of this plant are used as its leaf and its rhizome. So let me extract one of those. So the rhizomes look like this, which is black in color. So by the Nepalese people, it is commonly called as Pakan Ved, which is derived from the Sanskrit word Pasan Veda. And look, its leaves and its rhizome is used for treatments of diseases, mainly gastrointestinal diseases, which includes diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and even menstrual disorders. So this is the next plant we come across is Artemisia dubai, which has leaf like this, which looks similar to weed marijuana plant, which looks similar. Let me take this, which looks similar to marijuana plant. So marijuana plant is this, and Artemisia dubai is this. Are they looking same? Yes, they are. So commonly called as mugwort, it is diversely growing plant in the hilly regions of Kalimpong and Darjeeling. You can identify by its strong aromas and bitter taste. So you can identify by rubbing its leaf and smelling it. So when you smell this, you will get a strong type of bitter smell. So you can identify by it. So it is also used in the religious ceremonies by the Nepalese people and are called titepati by them. So it its part used for the treatment of diseases are mainly its young fleshy stems and its leaf like this. So it is used for the treatment of diseases such as asthma, coughing, cough and cold, bronchitis, respiratory disease. So the next one is Rumex nepalensis. So it is commonly known as duckweed and are cultivated by the local farmers for their edible leaves. So its leaf look like this, which looks similar as in spinach, but it has got red dots and it's little bit rough. So I don't know how it tastes, but it is fried and sometimes boiled and are consumed. So main part used of its plant is its leaves, which are used for consuming, and its roots are used for medicinal purposes, mainly gastrointestinal. So which includes the treatment. It helps in the treatments of diseases such as nausea, vomiting, liver inflammation, and many more. So our next plant is Urtica dioica. So it is commonly known as nettle plant, and it is spread all over the globe, and you must have seen it. You must be familiar with this plant. It has got fine structures in its body which are called as trichomes and act as hypodermic needle for the injection of histamine and other chemical properties through the skin, which leads to burning sensation. You feel like you've got shock. So by the Nepalese people, it was traditionally used as medicine, food, and also to make teas. So it would have been used in flavoring of teas also. It is also said, I don't know it's true or it's a myth, but you must have heard about the Bengal famine of 1943. At that time, the people of Darjeeling and Kalimpong were saved or did not get effectively affected by that famine as they have consumed this plant. So whole part of these plants are used for medicinal purposes, and it helps in the treatments of piles, liver liver jaundice, yes, liver jaundice, nausea, vomiting, dysentery, and many more. So the next plant is Eupatorium adenoferum. So you can identify it by touching its stem, which is sticky. Let me excuse this cicadas, these bumblebees, and those dogs barking at the background. So it look like this, and it blooms white in the summer. It is seasonally flowering plant. It is diversely spreaded in the hilly regions of Kalimpong and Darjeeling. It is commonly known as Mexican devil and crofton plant. So when a horse consume this plant, when a horse consume Eupatorium adenoferum, at that time it leads to the development of Nimba horse sickness. So which makes your horse feel very sleepy, drainage of speed, and make it very restless. So beware, do not give it to your horse. So parts used of these plants are its leaf and its fleshy stem. So when in the locality, when the local people of Kalimpong and Darjeeling are working in the field and suddenly they cut their hands with the blades, they do not directly run to the first aid box. Either they take a small leaf of this plant, rub it, and put some few drops of water in it, and put that liquid in their hands. So it is mainly used for skin diseases, some kind of skin allergic reaction, cuts and bruises, and many more. So the last but not the least is Tropiolum majus. So it has got this kind of round and disc shaped leaves with bright orange flowers. So how about this flower? Is it pretty? Yes, it is. And it smells very good. It's very fragrant. So it is commonly known as Pindalo fool by the Nepalese people, and it is cultivated for decorations in ceremonies. Mainly its flowers are used in weddings and even in funeral ceremonies. So, and it also bears, I forgot to tell you, it also bears seeds like this. Look, it has got seed like this, which have three parts in it, three seeds in one round ball. So, and very famous ornamental salad is also made from this kind of flowers. So to make that ornamental salad, you just need this kind of leaves, and I don't know what are the other recipes, but I know that its leaves are used for making that ornamental salad, which is very famous in Asia. So it is used for the treatments of diseases such as urinary infection, genital infection, and psoriasis, because as it helps in the treatments of those infections only, it has got high antibacterial properties. So got exhausted, today the day is very hot and I'm sweating all over. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like it, share it, and subscribe it. So see you all in my next video, and please support to ARS Biologicals. Bye bye.